What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can transfer money from your bank account to Trading 212 or your Trading 212 account. So let's get started. Now first off, once you open up your Trading 212 app, you will be on your default homepage. So from here, to transfer money onto your account, you would need to tap on these three horizontal lines in the bottom right corner. Then here you should be able to see a button that says deposit funds. So just go ahead and tap on that. Then right here you will be able to select the amount of funds that you would like to deposit, but first off, let's go ahead and select the deposit option. So we select a deposit option by just tapping on this option right here. So I'll just tap on that, and then you would be able to select a deposit method. So if you scroll down to the bottom, just like this, you would be able to see a few different options. So first we have our connected bank account option, and then we have a bank transfer. So these both are zero fees, but the process is a bit more complex and it takes up to 2 business days to complete. Now the method I recommend is using Google Pay or just your bank account's debit card right here. As you can see, there are no fees up to 2,000 euros in transfers, and the transfer arrives instantaneously. So for this transfer, I'll be selecting Google Pay, and then once you have Google Pay selected, you can just input the amount of funds that you would like to transfer. So let's say 250 euros. Then you just need to tap on deposit, and then right here you can select any card from Google Pay that you have. So if you're transferring from your bank account to Trading 212, then just go ahead and select your bank account card. So this part might be blurred for you from Google Pay side, but essentially what you would need to do is just select a card and then just tap on pay. So that's it. And then once you made the transfer, you should be able to see your account value increase. But essentially guys, this is how you can transfer money from your bank account to the Trading 212 app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.